Hi friends, Allie from AllieScraps here, and I'm super excited to show you some of the new releases in my shop that coordinate with this round of Illustrated Faith's Revival Camp. It's a travel theme, and I'm just so in love with the colors and the theme, and I'm just really excited to dive into it. But of course, I had to make matching things for me to use because I'm obsessed with the prayer request cards and the mini prayer request cards. So I wanted to make some in coordinating colors and wanted to share them with you. So I have the full-size prayer request cards, and again, they match. And then we also have the pocket prayers in a bunch of the colors. And I love the ones that are white-based as well, with just the lines. Super excited about those. More of the full-size prayer requests. And I wanted to incorporate some of the yellows and greens that are in here as well, and not just the blues and pinks. So give a little bit of options if you would like that. And then I also designed some papers, and the papers are free right now in my shop. They will only be through the end of May, but it includes these two papers, one with the bikes, because I just kind of associate bikes with travel. I don't know if you ever rent some of those bikes in cities, and one of my favorite ways to explore new cities is on bike. So definitely had to include those in the colors, and then the tickets just scream travel to me. But then of course there's also solid color with the crosses, and I did print those double-sided on some of the prayer request cards because I just like to have backgrounds, especially when I make tip-ins. So I like them to be double-sided. That way if I flip it over, it's not just white, and I can even put ephemera or journaling on the cross paper as well, but I just wanted to have options. So again, the cross paper and then the tickets and bikes are free in my shop right now. I will leave a link below, so be sure to check that out and snag them before they go up to full price. So those are the bits that are in my shop right now, and I'm really excited to see how you guys use them and incorporate them in your revival camp. I'm really excited to cut these out and then use them as tip-ins in my Bible, or as just bookmarks in the actual traveler's notebook. So I'm super excited to see that and show you what I'm doing. So be sure to subscribe if you want to see more of how I'm doing revival camp, and I can't wait to see what you do as well. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.